very crispy with the sauce. Grilled salmon fried rice. Almost already. The very good quality of salmon, the premium, really crispy, and inside the fish, oh my god, cannot wait to try it. Wow, mojito. Wow. After shaking, ready for the final product. There we go. Way to eat. This is the good part of the salmon. Very, very crispy with the sauce. So refreshing. You should come to try this. Mojito guava.